understanding the phrase, well-maintained lawn. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a phrase you might come across in everyday English, especially if you're talking about homes or gardening. We're going to explore what it means to have a well-maintained lawn. Whether you're a language learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the meaning together and discover why this phrase is more than just about grass. First, let's break down the phrase, well-maintained lawn, into two parts, well-maintained and lawn. Well-maintained refers to something that is looked after with care and regular attention. It implies that effort is put into keeping something in good condition or working order. Lawn is a piece of ground covered in grass, usually found outside houses, parks, or gardens. It's a common feature in residential areas and public spaces, cherished for its greenery and the aesthetic appeal it adds to the surroundings. When combined, a well-maintained lawn suggests a grassy area that is regularly cared for, ensuring it remains healthy, neat, and visually appealing. Maintaining a lawn well is important for several reasons. Aesthetic appeal. A well-kept lawn enhances the beauty of a place, making it more inviting and pleasant to the eye. Property value. Homes with well-maintained lawns often have higher property values. It reflects well on the homeowner's care for their property. Environmental benefits. Healthy lawns can improve air quality, trap carbon dioxide, and offer habitats for various creatures. Personal satisfaction. For many, the process of lawn care offers a sense of accomplishment and a way to enjoy the outdoors. Maintaining a lawn involves several key activities. Regular mowing. Keeping the grass at an ideal height promotes healthy growth and maintains its green look. Watering. Lawns need regular watering to stay green, especially during dry periods. Weeding and feeding. Removing weeds and supplying the grass with necessary nutrients through fertilizers help in keeping the lawn healthy. Aeration. Occasionally aerating the soil helps water, air, and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the ground, supporting the roots of the grass. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to have a well-maintained lawn, and why it's something homeowners pride themselves on. Caring for a lawn requires time and effort, but the rewards in terms of aesthetic appeal, environmental benefits, and personal satisfaction are well worth it. Whether you're learning English or looking to spruce up your home, remember that a little care goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.